There's baby Steel. Look at his Boston Terrier tail. Oh, the Dobermans just love him. Oh, look at that baby. He should be okay on the ground. I don't
It's up
know.
to them. They're the owners.
Yeah, exactly. He loves you, Dad.
Come on, guys. Be nice.
Be nice to the baby. Nice to the baby. Nice.
Be nice.
Nice to the baby.
To the baby.
You be nice to baby Steel. Easy Dobermans. You be nice to the baby. Look how little he is for a 6-week-old pup. He sure is tiny.
I mean, compared to the Dobermans.
I know, they're like, man. How big are they compared to him? Look how little, oh, look at him.
No, Sophie, you be nice.
Be nice to the baby.
Be
Nice.
Aww.
Oh, he loves you, Dad. Hi, baby.
Oh.
Was that a talk from Ruby?
Yes.
Oh, she's talking to him. Oh, look at him. Hi, baby. Hi. Hey, Dad, he can sit without realizing. Oh, look at Ruby. She wants to play. Mom, Ruby's talking to him. Ruby's talking to him. Oh, it's okay.
Oh, he wants to go outside.
Ruby wants to play.
He already peed.
Well, we're not. It's okay. She's just talking.
We're not gonna let Ruby do that. Ruby, hey, she's just sniffing a little bit.
Yeah, she's talking to him. She went.
I mean, Melissa, follow him. Don't take his pictures. Just follow him.
You're okay, baby. He might
He's
be.
too small for the dogs. He doesn't have to go out. He already pooped and peed.
What a good boy. Good boy. He could sit without realizing it and shake paw without realizing it. Where's that baby?
I'll hold him in the chair. Keep the Dobermans away.
Please, I really don't want them. What a cute baby.
Oh, look at him. Oh. Mom, wasn't it cute seeing Ruby talk to him?
Yeah. He's like, wow, this is what wool tastes like.
Oh, Trisha.
Trisha.
You're so brutal. Look at that
Bite your face. Be careful when he does that.
baby. Look at Ruby. Look at Ruby, Dad.
Look, he wants to lay like that.
Well, I'm sorry.
Well, he did that last time with Dad. Oh, he did? Yeah.
Look at the baby. Look at Ruby. Ruby loves him.
This gives him a spectator view.
Hi. Look at the baby. Hi. Oh. Look at Ruby. She's wagging her tail at
Now
him.
he's taller than you, Ruby.
That might scare her, you know. She's a wuss. He is cute. Hi, boo.
Oh.
He loves the camera. Hi, baby. Look, she's talking to him. Dad, she just talked to him. Did you see that?
Okay, go get cola.
Oh, boy. No, don't do it. Hi, Ruby.
Well, he's used to a kitty.
This is what you get for leaving.
Is that a baby?
You should tell Michelle. The cat pooped on
Oh, she's talking to him. Yeah, she's talking to the baby. Isn't it cute hearing her talk? You talking to the baby? Oh, Dad, you scared her. You're scaring Ruby. You're making him look like he has a macho bark already.
Yeah, look at Sophie.
Yeah, Sophie's fine.
She's like, I'm in run
Don't you say it.
Are you a ham? Are you a ham?
Aww.
You silly boy?
Aww.
Hey, so?
You know what's so adorable? It's like running around their apartment, and then Trisha has something in her hand, and he like stops abruptly and sits like.
He needs a toy.
Yeah, look, he looks like a boxer, doesn't he, huh? Well, half beagle, half Boston Terrier. That's what he is. Hi, baby. Hi, boo. Hi, boo. Oh, he wants to see the dogs. Be nice, Sophie.
He wants to play.
He wants to play.
I wouldn't put him down, Dad.
Let's keep an eye on him.
Oh, there's no.
Look at the dobies.
He's not gonna hurt you, Ruby, you little scary
Don't go
cat.
pawing at him.
Steal! Steal! Steal, come here, baby. Come here. Yeah, come here, baby. Come here.
Look at him.
Come here, baby.
He's not afraid.
Look, he's a macho little guy.
He likes bigger dogs.
Oh, look at him. Oh, look at him.
Good girl.
Look at Ruby.
Super fast. And now
Oh, look at him. Hi, baby.
Be nice, girl.
Nice.
Be nice, girl.
He's okay. He's okay.
Get him, Mom.
You got him? There he is. Look at Ruby. Hi. Good boy. Aww. Isn't that cute? Ruby, you're such a chicken. Get your baby. Oh, there's your baby. Oh, look at Ruby.
No, you just don't know how to text. Oh, Jesus.
Ruby.
Make him seem like he has a. Look at him. Look at him. Look at those paws. Oh my gosh, look at him. No! Make him look like a machine gun.
Smell that pee-pee.
Oh! Poor dog. Ew.
And someone has symptoms of the puppy shake.
Ruby.
Good boy.
You guys.
Yeah, he does look like a puppet. Make him look like a machine gun. Trisha did it.
I don't do it as well as Adam does it.
Look at him, my baby.
You make a watch him, Bob. He's gonna make him a machine gun.
Look, he's gonna make him a machine gun. It's so funny. Look. Look at him.
What?
Who's that baby? Aww.
Get her. Wow.
Ruby, you're such a chicken for Adobe.
Look at this dog's being good, this big girl.
Good girl, Sophie.
Good girl, Ruby. Up. Aww. He barked at you.
You're barking at.
That was such a girly bark, man.
You're barking at me?
Kill man up. Don't worry.
It sounded angry.
It sounded like don't do that. Kind of a bark.
He doesn't like this, that's why.
Uh-oh. He's like, get me out of here.
He hates the hand. He hates it.
Not the hand.
Look at him.
The claw.
Martinez for Texas.
Come on, you want a box? You want a box?
Get it? Because he looks like a boxer? Ha ha.
Ruby's tail is just wagging away.
Yeah, look at her tail just wagging.
Girl.
Good. Yeah, she's being good to him.
Look at her. Her freaking face. She's loving it.
Heading back.
Good girl.